I'm going to show you how to paywall a post on Substack today. So this is just going to be a training tutorial. I'm doing this for somebody in our school community. You can join us over there. We're all about leveraging Substack to grow an audience base. You can do that by going to school.com/u-world-order, and we'll be sure and put that link in the notes below. So on to how to create a paywalled post. So you're going to create a new post, and we're just going to create this as an article. And just to be very transparent, I'm using ChatGPT for how to do this, because I just wanted to do it quickly. So the title is going to be How to Paywall Part of an Article. And I'm actually creating this so that we can so I can show somebody how to do this. Where to place the paywall. We're going to create this whole article, and the first thing you want to do is create the whole article. So then we're going to paste the whole thing here, and then we need to get some images to go with this. So we're going to please create a pop art image with my brand landscape for this article. I'll get it working on that. Okay. And then we want to, hold on just a second, we're going to pause here. Okay, so now we're going to add the image. We're going to put it right here, because you always want to have an image. Hold on. You always want to have an image with your content. It's kind of lagging for me because I'm trying to talk and post and record all at the same time. Now I want to add a Pinterest pin, because we're all about creating pinnable images with our content right now. So what I like to do is put a pin, save this on Pinterest for later, and we want to make that an H3 tag. Then we're going to come over here and go J, this image right here. Okay, so now we have our basic article, and I'm going to put a message right here. We want to put the message here that says only for paid subscribers. This is a demonstration, of how to create a paywall. And the rest is for our paid subscribers. Then I'm going to put a subscribe button.
I read a little bit of that.
Okay, so we've got our article, we've got our images, we've got our space where we're going to put the paywall, and then we're going to come over here to settings, and we want the audience to be everyone. Nope, we want it to be paid subscribers only, and enable people, and we want to choose our sections. We want to amplify and modify. We want to do that. And we're going to put some tags in here. We'll just put Substack guidance for now. And we check the SEO. And we're going to grab this post URL. And we're going to come over here to our Pinterest image. And we're going to put a link to that, so that when people save this to Pinterest, from Pinterest, they'll get sent back to this article. Okay, so now we want to hit continue and see where it says send free preview. This is how you're going to add the paywall. So we want to add a paywall break. That will be right there. We're going to come over here and see where it says under more, it says paywall. Make sure we got it right there. More and paywall. All right. So people should only be able to see from here down. Okay? So now we're going to hit continue, and we're going to send the preview to our free subscribers and allow comments only from paid subscribers. And we're going to allow the free subscribers to redeem a single-use unlock of this paywalled content. I think we'll leave it like that because I really want people to be able to see this actually. So we're going to send post and free previews now so that I can get this all completed and so you can see what it looks like. So for paid subscribers, this is how this post will appear. It'll be just like this. And then for free subscribers, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go over here, and hopefully I'm going to come to a new tab and I'm going to do an incognito window so that I'm not logged in, so you can see what it looks like. Later on Pinterest, and see? There you go. Easy peasy, right? Okay, so we talk about these kinds of things over in our school community, which you can join by going to school.com, SKOOL.com/U dash, that's YOU dash world dash order. And we'll see you over there. Don't forget to subscribe to this publication. Thanks, and we'll chat soon.